This is me, RJ, from the RJ channel, and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be making paper windmills. The things that you need is a pair of scissors, a pen, a glue, a straw, and any type of paper that is cut into a square. Preferably origami paper, so links in the description below. Okay. Step 1 is to take the sheet of paper, turn it around. Now you would want to fold it diagonally, as I'm doing it. Okay, this side is over, and again to the side. Okay. Oops. Make sure it's even, so the windmill will come properly. Okay. Next, fold it into a square. Okay. Done that. Again on the other side. Okay. Okay. Now you would need the scissors, a pair of scissors, and cut on the diagonal line here. Make sure you don't cut it all the way down. So this much is enough, or you can cut it. Yeah, that's perfect. Do the same for the opposite sides. Step 2 is to take the paper and the glue stick, and just apply some glue here in the middle. And then take one side and glue it here. Okay. Repeat the glue so it also sticks on the top of this side, whatever this paper on the other paper. Then here. Okay. Okay. Kind of looks like a windmill. Okay. Let's move on to the next step. You just need to take these just cut out some small paper and place it gently here. So you just see where that is. Then now you have to take the glue and just apply it here. And just goes under. Okay. Then here. Okay. And then we'll just place this right here. And then here. Okay. You could actually preferably keep whatever paper you use here, but it's okay. Now you need to take the straw. No, you have to take the pen, sorry. Okay, Now you have to poke a hole with the pen because you have to put the straw through. I'm really bad at poking holes. Okay. I don't know how to do this stuff. Okay. We finally made a hole and you just have to make it a little bigger. Okay. Okay. Now you have to take the straw and cut almost until here. Oh, it's not cutting. Yes, it is. Now you just have to push it in. Okay. This is, yeah. Now almost the last step. All you need to do is cut the half of the straw like this. Just end it like this. And you would make like some sort of thing like this. Okay. And now you just have to place it in here. Okay guys, I finally got this thing inside. So now we're gonna spin this and see how it goes. Yay, it's a success! Hope you guys tried this out and hope you guys like this video and smash that like button, and we'll see you guys all on the next one. Bye!